China fines Alibaba record $2.75 billion for antitrust monopoly violations. This is a serious news, not because China fined Alibaba over $2.75 billion, but because of the news or the content inside this article. Chinese regulators have fined Alibaba Group Holding around 18 billion yuan, that is $2.75 billion, for violating anti monopoly rules and abusing its dominant market position, marking the highest ever antitrust fine to be imposed in the country. The penalty, equivalent to around 4% of Alibaba's revenue in 2019, comes amid an unprecedented regulatory crackdown on the homegrown technology conglomerates in the last few months that have weighted on companies' shares. And the main reason why Alibaba was fined this big amount was because Alibaba had been abusing market dominance since 2015 by preventing its merchants from using other online e-commerce platforms. And I guess you know about Alibaba. Alibaba is another e-commerce platform that acts for B2B businesses, that's business to business website, where you can get bulk amount of products at a cheaper price directly imported from China. That's what they are known for. And also C2B, but B2B is much more famous than their C2B business or B2C website. So the main problem here comes is that practice of preventing merchants from listing on rival platforms is a long standing one, and the regulatory spelled out in rules issued in February that it was illegal. So that's the problem here. That the problem is about Alibaba being dominant over the market. They are famous, they are big, they have grown tremendously over the years, but they are not letting their competitors to grow, or they are not letting they are not giving opportunity for their competitors to grow. Alibaba merchants to use other online e-commerce platform. That is what violates China's anti-monopoly law by hindering the free circulation of goods and infringing on the business interest of the merchants. The problem occurs here is because as Alibaba is dominant over the market, they shows that they don't want other competitors to grow. This is not just for Alibaba but also for other tech giants such as Google or Facebook or Microsoft or Apple or whatever the name you come across. All the tech giants face the same issue. That is, they don't let others to grow, like other their competitors to grow. When it comes to Facebook back in 2010 when Instagram was launched, Instagram was a successful app that the app was downloaded by millions of people. So Facebook saw this opportunity and bought Instagram for $1 billion USD. That is about that's a huge amount back in 2012. After that, when the Snapchat came into market, they saw another opportunity on Snapchat and tried to buy the company with $3 billion, but they couldn't. They are like Snapchat didn't let them sell themselves. So what happens here is Facebook becomes a dominant player in the market of social media. When I say social media, you most of us just remember Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. So when it comes to Twitter, that Twitter doesn't have a user base as much as Facebook does. Twitter's monthly user base is around 330 million, whereas Facebook's is 2.6 billion. That is around, in other words, we can say it as around half the population of this planet Earth. So they influence a lot of people in a lot of ways, that like during elections or spreading fake news. That was a major issue back when pandemic started in 2020 2019, going through 2020 until now. And a lot of time the governments have been scrutinizing these companies, these giants, so that they don't become a monopoly and take control over all the people around the world. Now, a question for you. What's your opinion on this decision taken by China to fine Alibaba for this fine? And should the government increase their regulations and laws and regulations for social these giants such as Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Microsoft, so that they don't dominate the marketplace and become a monopoly? Leave in the comments, and that's it for today.